Kleinfelder is an employee-owned science, architecture, and engineering consulting firm providing solutions to meet our world's complex infrastructure and natural resource challenges. Working as a team, our bright people will deliver the right solutions.
In the environmental site characterization practice, what sets us apart is our ability to scale on things. We have people that have, just entry-level ability. We have people that are PhDs with 30 years of experience. And what sets us apart from some of our competitors is this ability to scale. What this allows us to do is it allows us to work on a project with all those various capabilities and work on a wide range of projects for a wide range of clients. But a lot of times we have clients that have large-scale environmental necessity that needs to be dealt with very quickly. There's a large spill, needs to be characterized very quickly because of either public relations issues or because of environmental issues associated with soil or groundwater. And we're able to manage that very effectively across the company, mobilize very quickly, and get that emergency taken care of. Some of the basic skill sets that we have in environmental site characterization, and once again this goes from basic to advanced, is we have people that can do soil borings. We have people that can use some of the more advanced methods such as remote sensing, cone penetrometer testing, ultraviolet rapid optical screening tools, membrane interface probes. We have various methods of groundwater sampling that we employ, some low flow methods, some, once again, remote sensing methods. We have part of our practice is the hazardous building material, that they take a look at lead-based paint, asbestos-containing materials, and we're able to test those and have the oversight to remove those if necessary. We don't actually do the removal, but we oversee the contractors. One of the things that I think differentiates us is that we work very well with the other disciplines, with geotechnical. We do a lot of work with the geotechnical folks, and our work goes hand in hand because we come in on the front and they come in right behind us, assess whether there's a particular environmental situation that needs to get resolved, and then they can do their build work behind that. One example that we have is, as I said, we're very good at crisis deployment, and we had a major oil client that we did some work for that had a large volume release of gasoline into an aquifer. And within a very short period of time, and by short period of time, I'm talking about we actually had boots on the ground within a day or two, and we had probably 100 people out to that site within 1-2 weeks trying to get that area assessed so that the remediation team could move in and clean it up, much to the appreciation of our client and I'm sure the community which got their aquifer back. One of the probably largest projects that environmental site characterization has helped with was a major retailer that was trying to build a large distribution facility on a parcel of land in Southern California that from the initial studies looked like it wasn't any problem, but the more that they had Kleinfelder look into it, it was obviously a problem. It was a former military storage base. It had bunkers in it. There was a 10-acre treatment, storage, and disposal facility for munitions and explosives on the property. And this transaction needed to move forward in a rather timely manner because they had to start building of that facility within a certain time period. And because there was a treatment, storage, and disposal facility, the client needed RCRA closure of that property. And what we ended up doing is the environmental site characterization practice, along with the CAM, ended up putting together a program that we worked through it, did the environmental site assessment, produced all the documentation that was necessary, and finished the work for record closure within a 10-month period. This saved not only the client a lot of money because it was done in a very short period of time, but they were able to open their facility when they had scheduled it. One of the unique things about Kleinfelder is that we can actually go from start to finish on a project, you know, from the environmental site characterization to the environmental planning and permitting, through whatever remediation, the design of it, the build of it. We're there.